Welcome to Maths is Easy and welcome to the new video. How are you all? Since we are doing square and square roots of class 8, Exploring Mathematics is the publication, name of the book of publication house Goyal Brothers. So we were doing let us do 3.1. In today's video, we'll be resuming from question number 5. So question number 5 is which of the following numbers are not perfect squares? So for this, as the first number is given as 2401, we have to take the prime factorization. So it will go by 7, then again 7, then 7, then 7. So prime factorization of 2401 will become 2 times 7 and 2 times 7 means 7 times 7, and as we make the pair of it, so 49 will be coming out. Since 2401 is making 2 pair of 7, it is a perfect square. So we have to tell about which is not a perfect square. So 2401 is a perfect square. If any type of doubt is there, feel free to ask your doubt by commenting in the comment box. You have to do what? You have to just take out the prime factorization of the given number as it is coming in the pair, so it will be a perfect square, and if a number is left out means it is not making any pair, it will not be a perfect square. Let's move to the second part. Second part is given as 2704. So for 2704, prime factorization will be what? This is the prime factorization of 2704. It will go by 2 first. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, then 2 again, then 4 and 13 2 times. Since prime factorization of 2704 is 2 times 4 and 2 times 13, so one pair of 4 and one pair of 13 will be there, so 52. We can say that coming to be out as a number which is of 2704 of a perfect square. So we can say that 2704 is not a perfect square. So what would we write? We would write, since 2704 has one pair of 4 and 13 each, it is a perfect square of 52. Come to the third part, 2901. So 2901 is making factors with 3 into 967, as 3 is all alone and 967 is all alone here, so it doesn't make any pair, so 2901 is not a perfect square. Hope this much of parts are clear. Before moving further, I want to remind that I have solved many chapters of exploring mathematics like rational numbers, exponent and powers, square and square roots. We are doing algebraic expressions, linear equations, compound interest, and understanding quadrilaterals. You can check all those solutions by visiting the description of this video, and if you subscribe the channel, you will have all the solution links in the playlist tab. So please don't forget to subscribe, as it motivates me to make more such solution videos, which of course are beneficial and helpful for you. And one more thing, I have solved many chapters of mathematics success of same publication house Goyal Brothers of class 8, 7 and 6. So you can check those solution out by visiting the playlist of the channel. And I'll also provide all those links in the description of this video. So do check it out. Next, 3578. So 3578 ends with 8. So as we all know that digits ends with 2, 3, 7, 8 doesn't make any perfect square. So 3578 is not a perfect square. Next part, 3969, have a prime factorization of 3969, 3 times 3, 4 times 3 and 2 times 7. Since prime factorization of 3969 is 4 times 3 and 2 times 7, that is 2 times 3 and 1 times 7. So as 3969 has pairs of 3, 3 and 7, it is a perfect square. So as a whole, in question number 5, we can say that the number 3578 is not a perfect square and 2901 is not a perfect square. So it was all about question number 5. Let's move further. So in question number 6, we have to tell or identify those which are perfect squares. So how we will do it? Let's check it out. So first part is given as 500. First we have to make the prime factorization of 500, which are 3 times 5 and 2 times 2. Since 5 doesn't make any pair, so 500 is not a perfect square. For making a perfect square or for being a perfect square, we have to have the numbers in pairs. But as 5 is all alone and is not making a pair, it is not a perfect square. Let's move further. 900. We will make prime factorization of 900. 2 times 3 and 2 times 10. Since 3 and 10 are in pair, so 900 is a perfect square. Let's move further. So third part is given as 64 and 4 times 0. So let's have a prime factorization of 64 4 times 0, that is it will go by 8, then 80,000, then 10,000, 1,000, 110. So prime factorization of 64 and 4 zeros are 2 times 8 and 4 times 10. So we can, since 8, 10, 10 are in pair, so 64 4 times 0 is a perfect square. As no number is left all alone, so it is a perfect square. Let's move further. So fourth part is given as 127 and 4 times 0. So prime factorization of 127 4 times 0 is, it will go by 4 times 5 and 4 times 2, and 127 is left all alone. So what we will do, since 127 does not make any pair, so 127 4 times 0 is not a perfect square. I hope all the questions are easily understandable, but still facing any type of doubt, feel free to ask your doubts by commenting into the comment box. Let's move further. 22, 225 and 3 times 0. Let's have a prime factorization of it. So it will go by 2 times 5, 2 times 3 and 3 times 10. So what we would write, so prime factorization of 225 3 times 0, 5 square, 3 square and 10 raised to the power 3 means 2 times 5, 2 times 3 and 3 times 10. So 10 doesn't make any pair, so 225 3 times 0 is not a perfect square. For having a perfect square or for being a perfect square, every single number has a pair. But in here, 10 is not making any pair, so it is not a perfect square. Let's move further. 576 and 4 times 0. Let's have a prime factorization. So it will go by 4 times 5 and 6 times 2. So what we would write, have a full glance of prime factorization so that it will be easily understandable to you. What is the prime factorization? So what we will write, 4 times 5, 10 times 2 and 2 times 3. So 5, 2, 3 exist with pairs, no other factors is left. So 576 4 times 0 is a perfect square. Hope all the parts of this question is quite clear. Let's move further. So question number 7 is given as, using properties of squares, find the value of the following: 15 square minus 14 square. Since we all know that a square minus b square equal to a plus b and a minus b, So 15 square minus 14 square would be equal to 15 plus 14 into 15 minus 14. That is 29 into 1. 29 will be our answer. Let's move further. 22 square minus 21 square, same, a plus b, a minus b, 22 plus 21 and 22 minus 21, 43 into 1, that is 43. Let's move further. 51 square minus 50 square, that is 51 plus 50, 51 minus 50, that is 101 into 1. So answer would be 101. Hope all the questions are quite clear. Still facing any type of doubt, feel free to ask your doubts by commenting to the comment box. So same with the 100 square minus 99 square, that is 100 plus 99, 100 minus 99. 199 into 1, 199 will be our answer. Fifth part, 1001 plus 1000, 1001 minus 1000, that is 2000 into 1, 2000 will be our answer. Have a full glance. Last part, 2115 square minus 2114 square. As we all know that a square minus b square would be a plus b, a minus b. So 2115 plus 2114 into 2115 minus 2114. So 4229 into 1, that is 4229. This is our answer. Have a full glance once again of question number 7. So it was all about today's video. In my upcoming videos, I will be solving more of the questions of let us do 3.1 square and square roots. So if you guys like my videos or if it is somewhere helpful to you, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share the videos as much as possible. Thank you so much.